Android Installation Guide. Follow this installation guide closely to install and activate eSIM on your Android phone. Installation may vary on different Android devices. The following guide is based on Google Pixel 6. Step 1. Ensure your device is eSIM compatible. To use eSIM, you need to check two things before purchasing an eSIM plan. 1. Your phone needs to be carrier unlocked. That means you can use SIM cards from any carrier. 2. Use Textor's free eSIM compatible phone checker. Links are in the description below. Step 2. Stable connection. Ensure you have a stable connection for the installation process that includes downloading the app, installing eSIM, and activating the data plan once you arrive at your travel destination. Step 3. Access your eSIM's QR code and activation code. After purchasing a data plan, there are two ways to install Textor eSIM: QR code or activation code. You can access them through our app or on our website, esim.textrapp.com. 1. Log in to Textor eSIM app and tap on My Data Plans at the bottom of the screen. 2. Select Valid and find your inactive data plans. 3. Select the data plan you want to install. 4. Scroll down and select Android device under Install eSIM and Access Data. 5. Follow the on-screen installation instructions. Install with QR code. For QR code, you may require a second screen or print out the QR code to scan with your phone. If your phone can scan QR code with a saved image, take a screenshot of the QR code instead. Manual installation with activation code. You can find your activation code under the Manual tab next to QR code. Copy your unique SM-DP Plus address and activation code. Step 4. Install eSIM on your Android device. Textor eSIM can only be associated with one device. Make sure you are installing your eSIM on the right device. To install eSIM, go to Settings on your device, select Network and Internet and SIMs to add your new eSIM. Tap on Download a SIM instead and press Next. To install with QR code, scan the QR code within the guided lines. To install with activation code, tap on Need Help, then click Enter it manually. Paste the SM-DP Plus address and activation code. It will take a few minutes to install eSIM to your phone. Textor eSIM is now installed on your phone. Step 5. Activate data plan and access data. If you have installed your eSIM before your trip, activate eSIM after you arrive at the destination. The validity of the data plan starts when the eSIM activates and expires, even if the plan is not consumed. To activate your data plan, 1. Go to Settings, then go to Network and Internet. 2. Tap on Mobile Network, then select Textor eSIM. 3. Toggle on Use SIM. 4. Turn on for both mobile data and data roaming. 5. If your primary number contains an existing data plan, turn off your primary SIM. Note that Google Pixels may take up to 10 minutes to connect to the local networks. You can now access your data. Remember, only activate eSIM after you arrive at your destination. If you still have any inquiries, please contact us at support@textrapp.com.